Hi guys, welcome to my new setup. Hopefully it will turn out really nice, and I just want to show you my microscope. It's just mad. Wow, show you it in action, should I say. If I switch to my scene right now to a microscope, oh no, it's frozen. Oh, well, maybe if I tap the desk a little bit, but look at that, that's amazing. And I bring it across, whoop, there it is. And say I want to focus on something, you know, just move it wherever I want to the edge of the desk. It fits. It's just really cool, man. The only thing is it won't go further that way, but you know, I could just move the board. It's not hard. Say if, I don't know, about there. Let's go into the microscope, and this is what you look like. Look, is it frozen? You don't know. It's so stable. Say if I want to take this off. Okay, let's have a look, just there. Yeah, actually that's a bit too close to the inductor. Let me take off, alright, yeah, let's take off this jet. Oh, it's slightly out of focus. Let me focus it a bit. There you go, how's that? That focus better? I think that focus is pretty good. I had a bit of flux for no reason at all. I don't even know where I'm looking. Oh, over here. Get my bent nozzle hot air station, whatever it is. Atom. This is my bent nozzle now. 50% airflow, 440 degrees. Hopefully you can hear me okay. My microphone's moved as well. Plenty of work room, absolutely loads. I can even stand my tweezers right up. I try and hold my hot atom at a certain angle so you guys can see where I'm actually flowing. Look how stable that microscope is. Look at that. Absolutely stable. It's just nuts. Yeah. Alright, let me just add a bit more solder to it. Let's grab my solder. To be fair, does it really need a new ring light? Neither. The glare's not horrendous. Lovely. Should have added a bit more flux to that. And here we go, putting it back on. Whoops, unless I ping it like that. The airflow's quite strong now with this nozzle. Pin one is this way. Just look how stable that scope is. I've had too many coffees today, by the way. I've had two close to, oh my god, I'm blowing it everywhere. Two within a matter of, what, an hour and a half of each other. And there you go. Amazing. Such a stable microscope. I can move it anywhere I want, and look how stable it is. Instantly just stops. Absolutely perfect. And if I want to move it out of the way, I just fold it in a bit and push it out of the way. Push that even more if I want to. Ta-da. Absolutely love it. So stable. So stable. Yep, love it. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't bother liking it because it's only going to be unlisted, but yeah, thanks for watching.